You, nobody knows you.
A last minute fish.
The last minute. I feel like if I didn't say it, you'd say, okay, fine, let's go home.
I know, I was thinking that.
He was waiting for someone to say, okay, fine, let's go one more. So this is where it snapped. So I don't know if it's brittle already.
Oh, the snubber?
Yeah.
It's just going off.
Yeah, I know, but it's that same lure that caught all the fish.
Yeah.
That blue-green. Why didn't you put that on sooner?
I know.
Where's the magic lure, the one that caught us all the fish?
It's in the tray there.
The white one and the blue one. Actually, it's all of them. We were like wandering like way out there.
But maybe it was different because of the flood.
Oh yeah, the flood definitely.
Yeah. Dude.
This one got 3 today. And 1 yesterday. Nice job. You know what it is, guys? It's because we already worked as a team before. That's why it was a lot easier to just get it done, right? That's a lot of meat. Woo-wee! That's a heavy boat.
To go lie down there, bud.
Hey Richard, can you take a photo of me and being Yuri? Yuri, have a seat. Come on, you and me, buddy. Go back here.
I got a couple.
Nice. Nice.
Oh, nice shot, Richard. Yuri looks so happy, man. Okay, let's go. I don't know whose fish is what, but I know I don't have a red. Unbelievable day. Okay, only thing missing is crabs.
Alright, Brent, take us over there, eh?
Yeah. Hold on, Yuri. Hold on, hold on. Oh, it is better. There's a couple keepers in there. Okay, so I'll get the ruler. Okay, here we go. Okay, that guy's a small one. There's a small one. This one's a keeper, I think. Yes, it is better crabbing here.
Water in this bucket?
Oh, there's no claws. Yeah, hard scale, yeah. I have water in it.
I dumped it.
Oh, you did? So Yuri, so 6.5 from here to here? And it has to be hard shell. Feel that? Yeah, because it's
Soft shell, then what?
it means it just newly molted.
Yuck.
And then also male.
Someone ripped off her claws.
Yeah, I don't know what happened. Okay, that's one. This is number 2 right here. This nice color, nice dark colors are good. Ooh, short.
It's under.
Yeah, 6.5.
That's what we call that dungeons?
Dungeness, yeah. The best tasting crab we have in BC here. Small one. They don't look like they're close, if anything. But better sizes than where I was on the other side. Okay.
Safe for these.
Oh, nice. See color. Oh, smallies. Might be 1 or 2. Maybe one.
Maybe one.
Female. That's not any good. Let that one relax a bit. This one looks decent. Hard shell. Male. Probably like 2 mils. That was the closest one. The ruler might be
Bit warped.
compromised. That was the closest one. terrible crabbing lately. I think maybe I just won't bring the traps next time. I don't know.
Maybe one. I'd say
Oh!
two.
Yeah. So this side opens up. Oh, it's pretty heavy actually. Oh, there's 3, 4. Holy crap! Nice. Nice. You got the ruler. Oh, yeah. You might have a chance here. Get that whole still now. Oh yeah. Oh, that's softy. I mean, even though it's upside, Yuri, the thing is there's no meat inside. It's like half meat.
Soft stuff.
Yeah, it's like it's not full meat. This one's a male short. This one. This one.
Yeah, that's way soft shell,
Yeah,
right?
this is the hard shell. This one. Oh. These are hard shell, Yuri? Do that one.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's not worth it. You're just gonna eat it and it's like you're just licking the skin. Wow, brutal. Well, it was close though.
3 traps and 1 clawless crab.
I don't know how do you guys survive on that?
Oh man.
Nice.
Successful.
Sure.
El Capitan.
Day.
Good job, Raquel.
You see the tide line, Yuri? We're at the tide line now. See, it's kind of silty, then it goes blue.
Yeah.
Also, you're gonna see like thousands of a seal is sitting here. Now you know why I like to go fishing so much. Every time I get depressed, I just leave. I just go fishing all the time. There's never a problem out here, right? I never have a problem. I'm always happy.